Now I'm gonna put the submit script on the submit button. Click the submit button, add component, not question now, we want to submit. Good. Submit is here. Then the second space is questions. How many questions are we submitting? 0? No. We can change this number to 1 or whatever. Actually, we are submitting 2 questions now because this example REDcap survey has 2. So I'm going to put 2 and press enter. Then you can open this question space here. It's going to show you 2 spaces for you to insert the questions that have the objects that have the questions script. We have just added the question script to the drop down. So element 0 should be drop down. I'm going to drag and drop.